That's why you hear me say, Emma, you're like the daughter I never had. Like it becomes your family at that point. So fast forward, next morning. So that night I didn't sleep.
I would have guessed.
Yeah, I didn't sleep. And
you didn't want to cuddle a bag of money?
No, dude. Oh, and that money smelled so bad.
I bet.
It smelled so bad. Like it was just nasty. But yeah, that night I didn't sleep. It was just, rewinding what just happened. Is this real? Because you feel like you're in a skewed reality.
I don't know who came up with this word, but I knew it went around. But money blindness is a real thing in that situation.
Oh, yeah.
When you're in that environment, money doesn't mean what it normally means.
No.
Like, I remember the first time I realized it is when the 4 captains refused the $1 million bribe. And then thinking about it afterwards, I was just like, they refused $1 million. When in reality, I was just like, oh, thank goodness they didn't take it. We moved on. Oh, that's crazy that Jimmy thought they would have taken the money, but they didn't. But then it just didn't hit like the magnitude of the money until after I got out of that environment. I was just like, and I watched it, play back for the first time. Obviously, we knew what happened, but I was just like, they refused $1 million.
And you're spot on when you say that. It's almost like $1 million didn't have the same value to us.
Which is crazy to say.
In that environment.